Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to program the user sign-out process using the session management. First I'm going to show you how it works and then I'll explain the codes later. First I'm going to sign into the eShop. You can see I have signed into the eShop. Now I'm going to press the sign now in here and you can see an alert will pop up. Here it says logout successful and I'm going to press OK. You can see it signed me out. You can see it signed me out of the eShop. Now if I press this again, it will take me to the sign in page to sign in. Okay, now let's see the coding of this. This is the header PHP file. This file mainly handles the header area of the website and also manages the user session to check if someone is logged in or not. Here you can see at the top of this section, I have added session start. This line is very important. It activates the current session or starts a new one if there isn't one already. Sessions in PHP help store user data temporarily across multiple pages. Next, I'm checking whether a user session exists using this code. If EZ $session into U. If this condition is true, it means the user has already signed in. So I retrieve the session data using this code $data equal to $session U and then display a greeting message using the user's first name like Hi John. Next to the greeting there is a sign out option. This clickable text calls a JavaScript function named signout when the user clicks it. Now when signout is triggered, it usually sends a request to PHP file, for example signout process PHP. The file will handle destroying the session using PHP's session management function. In the signout process PHP, file, I have started the session and I have added a condition if the user is logged in, session start, the session will destroy and it will sign out the user. And I have added an echo if this process is succeeded. After signing out, when the session is destroyed the next time the page loads, this part of the code runs. Since there is no session anymore, the user is shown the sign in or register link instead of the greeting and sign out option. So overall, the session-based sign-out process works like this. When the user signs in, their data is stored in a session $session U. The header detects that and greets them. When they click sign out, a backend PHP file removes the session data using session destroy. The header then updates the login link again. This ensures a secure and smooth sign-in and sign-out experience for users in the eShop system. And that's how session management handles user sign-out functionality in my project. Simple, secure, and user-friendly.